Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2007 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. Vehicle came in, gear shift, cannot shift into any gear. Feels like something came off the gear shift. The most common problem is the gear shift cable bushing gets deteriorated, then the cable pops off of the gear shift. So we're going to be checking it out. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Phillips screwdriver, small flat tip screwdriver, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, and some silicone grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a gear shift bushing I bought from the dealer. Okay, right now this gear shift is in park. What I need to do is put it into neutral. So we're going to have to turn the ignition to the on position, step your brake, and then put it in neutral. And now we can let go of the brake and turn the ignition off. Okay, so now we're going to be removing this panel. This is just clipped on. Remove this electrical wire. Okay, so we're going to be removing this plastic piece. Just pull it up. So there's 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got to remove that. Okay, so in here we're gonna have to remove this felt on the bottom, and then I gotta remove those 2 screws. Okay, so we're going to be removing this console. We got to remove this electrical wires. And then removing this electrical wire. Okay, if you notice, the cable came off the shifter. So they're supposed to have a rubber grommet in here that's all deteriorated. So we're going to be putting on a new grommet. But I'm going to be cleaning up my shifter side. Looks like it's all deteriorated. So I'm going to be putting my new grommet into the shifter cable. So I'm gonna get some silicone grease, put some on my shifter and some on this grommet, and then we're gonna just snap it in. So we're gonna be moving the shifter forward, lining them up, and then just snap it in. Now we're gonna be putting back the console. So right now the shifter is in park. We're gonna be putting it back into neutral. So I'm gonna be turning the ignition on 2 clicks, step the brake, and then take it out of park and put it in neutral. Okay, now we can install the console. So we're putting back the console. Make sure you hook up your wires, your electrical wires. Putting back these 2 screws. Don't tighten it yet. Putting back these Phillips screws. Okay, so now you can tighten it up. Okay, putting in the felt. Okay. Putting in this plastic piece. Putting this guy on. Make sure you connect your electrical. And snap this guy in. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a gear shift cable grommet. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.